Hi, my name is Jessica Palmer, and I am the team lead for Pet Planner mobile app. My teammates are Kelly Kobus and Sarah Grady. This app is meant to simplify the check-in process for kennel staff, as your dog is wiggling all over the place in their waiting room. For this app, we use Spring Boot RESTful API, Java Business Logic, and Azure Database for MySQL on the server side. This is a mapping of our class entities and the relationships between them. As you can see, we have clients, pets, feedings, records, which we now call documents, appointments, and users.
We're going to deploy the application to Azure App Service and Azure Database for MySQL. Auth0 is going to handle authentication and authorization, and we are using GitHub repository for version control. For the front end, we are going to create a mobile application that uses Flutter Framework and the Dart programming language. Within that, we are using the Material UI library for built-in widgets and Syncfusion Calendar for schedule building. Auth0 is going to be used for registration and login. The front of our application consists of a few buttons, one of which is the Forgot Password. Then there's the Create Your Own Account and the Sign In button. So within this, you can create a new appointment. So the title and the to and from dates are required entries, whereas the additional information section is optional. You can save it, and once you do that, it will display on the home screen. You can edit it and add additional information. So in this case, we're saying that the dog is very rude. Once you save it, it will update and display, and you can also delete it. You can also create a new client, create a new pet, and you can also create a new feeding for that pet. You can also view existing clients. So far, it just displays the phone number and address, as well as the first and last name, and the existing pets looks pretty similar to that. And then you can log out after.
Some of the challenges we have faced so far have been working with a time constraint, learning and implementing new to us technologies, and deciding on a hosting site that did not require any type of payment. We have a couple of unresolved issues involving Auth0, including connecting it to the backend and running the app on the web. So, what are the next steps for us? Well, first, we need to finish connecting our Flutter pages with the APIs and also complete additional testing. Then, for phase 2, we have a couple of other things that we would love to implement if time allows.